Hello, this is Shweta and welcome back to MaGuruCool. Yes, I'm continuing with the subtraction video. Since the previous video was long, for the people who are looking at this video for the first time, I will be sharing the description below for the subtraction with simple digits. Now this is Math Olympiad series videos which I am updating so that you can help your children do simple mathematical operations if they are attending or if they are participating in the International Maths Olympiad January 2021. Today we will do triple digit subtraction by borrowing and triple digit subtraction by simple subtraction, that is without borrowing, right? That is subtracting the smaller number from the bigger number and subtracting the bigger number from the smaller number. How to teach these children with the play way techniques, and the teaching aids is something which is easily available in your kitchen. Let's get started. Children, play way method, subtraction, triple digits. All that you need is a counter which is symbolizing minus or subtraction, some counters for ones, right? Some counters for tens and some counters for hundreds. Now if you see, make sure that you pick anything, any dal, any spices which is available in your kitchen or in your house or with your child's play toys based on the increasing order of their size. So it will be easy for the children to understand that ones are the smallest digits, tens are the a little bigger digits, and hundreds are bigger than the ones. Replace my gram dal with any of it which is available. You can replace this with groundnuts. You can replace the 10 counters with, say, building blocks, small blocks, and you can replace the 100 counters with a bigger blocks or marbles or anything like that which is available in your house or in your child's play toys. Alright, so let's get started with the first sum or with the first question or with the first problem. Right, we write hundreds, tens and ones. Remember, if we have not introduced the concept of hundreds, tens and ones to the child, he or she might get confused. So to prevent that confusion, we always represent with graphically. What is the one counter which I am using? I am using a dal which is circular in shape. Alright, what am I using for the 10 counters? I am using matchstick. So I represent the matchsticks here. And what am I using for the hundreds counter? I am using dalchini, or we represent that with thick sticks. Alright, and hence put a small demarcation. So let us see how we can do 384 minus 223. Right, I'm just roughly taking some number. What is the answer? So what do? We ask the child to move slowly and we ask the child to pick up the one counters first. The one counters, how many? 4 of them. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Alright. Next, ask the child to pick up the 10 counters. How many? 8. So we will pick up 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's arrange them a little properly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Alright, and then we'll ask the child to pick up the hundreds counter. How many? 3 of it. So we'll pick up 3. 1, 2 and 3. Alright, what is the child supposed to do? The child is supposed to subtract Now remember, when there is a subtraction, we don't take any counters below. We need to remove from here itself. So we have to remove. Now how many do we have to remove? We'll have to remove 3 from the 1 counter. So let's remove 3. 1, 2, 3. Done. So the 1 counters is done. The child will have to go to the 10 counters first. Remember, ask the child to put a tick or a dot so that the child will know that he or she is finished with the 1 counter. He goes to the 10 counter. How many he or she needs to remove? 2. 1 and 2. He or she is done with it. Put a tick. How many they need to remove from the hundreds counter? 2. 1 and 2. Put a tick. So double checking. When the moment they look at the tick, they know that they are done with the removing or with the subtraction of the digits. Now what is the answer? I just have to count and write. 1 counter 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 here, and then 1 here. Super. 161. It is the easiest method for them to play and learn, by the playway method, especially for children who don't like to do maths at all. This is the best method for them to make them sit and do subtractions, additions, multiplications, divisions, all of these. Mathematics with playway method. Right? So this can increase this to any digit based on increase in size of the counters. So if I pick up some sticks or say leaf representing thousands, so I'm sorry, so ones, tens and hundreds is over. So if you want 4-digit numbers, introduce a leaf. If you want 5-digit number, introduce a stone. So you will have 5 digits, and hence you can increase it to as many digits as possible, and it will be easy for you. We did one subtraction of a triple digit without borrowing. Now let us do it. Let's see if we can subtract a bigger number from the smaller number. Let's do that. So I'll ask my husband to give me the question, because he's shooting the video for me. Can you give me the question, please? 100, tens and ones. So we make the things ready. What you can probably do is you can write this in the sketch pen, H, T and O, and also draw these and keep it in your sketch pen. Just erase these numbers and keep continuously giving them the questions itself. Or if you have patience, take a digital printout of it and just fill up the numbers and gives and make it into and file it up in their files, so that you can keep it as a copy for future use. Yeah, can I have the question now?
Okay, 562.
Okay, 562 minus
2.
Okay.
58.
Okay, 258. Fine. So only here we have borrowing. Here we don't have borrowing. Fine. Let's do 1-digit borrowing then. Right. So what are we supposed to do again? Remember, 1 counter graphically represented, 10 counters graphically represented, and 100 counters graphically represented. Done with the splitting or the division between the digits or space between the digits. Alright. Now what do? I have to pick up how many of the 1 counter? I need to pick up 2 of the 1 counters. 1 and 2. Alright, done. So I'm done. So I put a dot there or a tick there. What am I supposed to do now? I'm supposed to pick up 6 of the 10 counters. So let's pick up 6. Let's space it up. Right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Once I'm done, I put a tick or a dot. What am I supposed to do now? I'm supposed to pick 5 of the 100 counters. So let's do that. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. What am I supposed to do? I'm supposed to subtract. So I do subtraction. Remember, the moment we have subtraction, we don't take the numbers which is here, but we need to just remove it from here. What am I supposed to remove now? I'm supposed to remove 8. But do I have 8? I don't have 8 here. I don't have 8 of 1 counters. What am I supposed to do? Take or borrow 10 and replace it with 10 of the 1 counters. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So the moment I make it sleep like this, that means I know that it has come from here and I have borrowed 10 of this. Right? So now let's see if we can take 8. If we can remove 8 from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have removed 8. How much am I left out with? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's do the left out later. I put a tick. That means I'm finished with the 1 counters. Now let me go to the 10 counters. How many am I supposed to take out? I'm supposed to take out 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so am I done with the 10 counters? I am done with the 10 counters. How many of the 100 counters I need to remove? I need to remove 2. 1, 2. Am I done with it? I am done with it. Now I need to fill up my answer. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many of the 10 counters? Nothing. So nothing means I represent it with 0. And how many of the 100 counters? 1, 2 and 3. Alright. So 304.
Oh, perfect.
Now when you look at this video for the first time, you might feel that this is time consuming. Where are the children gonna sit and do so many multiple steps, because they need to first arrange the counters, check the numbers properly, put a tick and remove the counters and then write the answer. But believe me, children are quick learners. So we might take time to understand this concept and do it. But children of young age, say, this can be applied even with children who are 4.5 years old, and it works wonders. Believe me, try it to believe me. Yeah, I will not tell you directly to ask you to believe me, but try it along with your children and see whether it works out or not. And remember again, I always tell you, every child is different. Alright. So that was with subtraction, triple digit, borrowing and without borrowing. Right? Yes, if you do like this video, please do like, share and subscribe, and do give your valuable comments in the comment section below. For the other videos, I will be posting the link for the previous videos, 1 or 2 videos in the description. And for more videos, you will have to subscribe to my channel to look into more videos of it. Alright, so this is Shweta from MaGuruCool signing off. Bye bye.